Hi, I'm Bill Ballantyne, and I'm with the Barry E. Walter Sr. Company. You are watching me on the great Equiparts YouTube channel, so you know where to go to find information about some great products that Equiparts carries. So I don't have to tell you how to get there. But should you forget, just go to the website, click on the YouTube channel, and there'll be tons of products that you can see that Equiparts is going to help you with. Our Suncraft line includes a lot of different stuff, but one of the great things we carry is what's called the one-for-all tub spout system. And what's going to happen is this will actually help you alleviate maybe a number of SKUs that you need to carry, or should you not know what's behind that wall when you have to repair that tub spout, this takes care of everything. So the one-for-all tub spout system means that whether the connection is in the nose, the base, whether it's half-inch, three-quarter, or slip, the one-for-all tub spout takes care of all that. We have it in diverter, non-diverter, we have it in 7-inch, and we have it in a bunch of different finishes also. Any of those things that you need, just reach out to Equiparts. They have access to everything that we carry in that line, and they can help you with that. It's so simple, like it just comes with this little bag of adapters and this little wee instruction sheet. And what they will tell you to do is, if it's in the base, you're going to unthread this part in here, and it'll tell you which one to use, and there's an Allen wrench. It's so simple, it's incredible. You're just going to remove it, thread it on there, and you're done. There's not a lot to tell you about it because it's so simple, and 2 tub spouts could eliminate any problem you have in the future because you have everything you need to make that repair. To enhance that and to make the job look better and be better, caulking is an issue, and let's face it, not many people are good at caulking. And they're not very good at getting the old caulking off either. So when the tub spout goes on there, sometimes it doesn't look great. But we have these trim plates that will make up a gap should the connection fail to be flush, or if not, it'll just go up against there. And here's the best part about it. Anything will fit through there, okay? It's a flexible pad, but you don't need to caulk. So if we're talking about a hotel, home, whatever, you can use the bathroom right away. For a hotel, sometimes they can't sell a room that night because they got to wait 24 hours, depending on when the job is done, for the caulking to cure. So listen, for a couple of extra bucks, they got the solution. They can sell the room. And by the way, it masks that nasty old caulking, and it just looks a whole lot better. And we can get it to match all different finishes, from polished brass to matte black, a couple of the other brush finishes. We have that available. Everyone at Equiparts can help you out. They know where to get that stuff. So you can see one of their sales reps call inside here, go to the counter. Everyone here is ready to help you. The one-for-all tub spout system is maybe the only tub spout system you need moving forward from here, and Equiparts will help you do that.